Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, privacy glass, engine block heater, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.